What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Belante, and I'm back with another trade recap video. And I'm going over how this week I had a 1% gain this week. I had 1 win and 1 L this week. So let's go over it. So the first trade I placed was on the S&P, and it was a supply. If you go on the 4-hour, on the 4-hour we're bearish. 1 hour we are bearish as well. So I'm following the trend on the higher time frames on the 15 minutes, so I'm bearish. I see that we have a breaker structure right here. We put on the line chart, you can see we breaking these lows, and we left a gap for price to come back and fill. So I waited for price to come and tap my box, and I got in right here on that candle break. Stop loss is the highest wick in the zone, and first TP is a 1-to-1, which got smacked, and then a 2-to-1, which got smacked. So that was a nice 2% gain. Let's go to Wednesday on how I took this L on US 30. So this L right here, let's talk about it. I took these buys. Main reason, we have a supply. We have a demand that turned into a liquidity grab. On the 4-hour, we're bullish. We're also doing like a liquidity grab right here. Not really that good. I really wouldn't take this liquidity grab. And another thing why I took this buy is because we are still in a 4-hour demand. So I'm very bullish on US 30. If you go on the 1 hour, it's not really saying so much. We're coming to the middle on the 1 hour. Another reason why I wanted to take a liquidity grab is because we're cutting to the middle on the 1 hour, and on the 4-hour in the demand. So if I were to take a trade, it would be a liquidity grab, a bullish liquidity grab. So this is what I saw. I had this demand marked up, but it turned into a liquidity grab right here, and it was simply a fake out. Stop loss lowest wick that went below. This candle right here, this wick. First TP is a 1-to-1, and got close, like a couple ticks off. Let's see how many ticks. Well, like 4 ticks off, or 22, and it literally just reversed. And I didn't find any other setups after this trade. So, and yesterday was Thursday. I didn't place no trades. So these were literally the only 2 trades I took this week, and that's how I had a 1% gain. This was a 2% gain and a 1% L. So we still got 3 more trading days left of the month. Hopefully we can end this month profitable again. So yeah, that was my trade recap for the week. I will be seeing y'all next week for next week's trade recap video. And next week's going to be a profitable week. Alright, man. Peace.